You're still lingering like the old cologne that you wore. I still see your face in the empty frame by the door.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, we are going to take a look at that beautiful dress that you see back there. It is my completed project for the Sew Maxi for Mother's Day challenge, which is hosted by Crystal and T. They have been, doing this challenge for the last 4 years, and this is year 4. I'm really grateful that they asked me to be one of their ambassadors. So I hope I did a really good job just sharing the challenge with everyone that I come in contact with that sews, and I hope that they have a really great submission turnout, because I am seeing that they're having a really good year, so hopefully they feel that way too. It's the first time that I have joined in on the challenge, so I'm not exactly sure how it has been for the last 3 years, but what I can see for this year 2022, it is doing really good. So if you have not checked out that hashtag, do go go do a search on Instagram for SewMaxiForMothersDay and see what beautiful dresses are being shared, as well as maxi skirts, jumpsuits, and statement sleeves. This year they're looking for bigger, bolder colors, and they have opened it up to blouses. So as long as you have an amazing statement sleeve on your blouse as well as a statement fabric, you are ready to join the challenge. And if you're not sure about all the details regarding how to join and if there's still time, I believe you can, because I'm trying to work on another project to share for the challenge as well. So let me share the pattern that I will be working with for this review. Okay guys, so it's McCall's M7946 back there. This dress has been all over Instagram for the last 2 years, I think. It's been really popular. A lot of people have been making it, and as you guys know, we have been seeing so much of that prairie style, puffy sleeve, pioneer woman kind of thing going on for the last year, and it is just getting bigger and bigger, and this sort of style is just staying alive with the gathering, the sharing, the ruffles, the tiered skirt. It's all romantic, it's all feminine, it's all beautiful, and it's going to be here for a little while. So I had to jump on the bandwagon because that is pretty much what I'm all about. I love romantic style dresses, skirts, and just being really polished, and I thought that this totally reflects me. Now the color is blue, which is something that I don't always go for, but I've been meaning to try going in that direction regarding to color. So the pattern has 4 versions. The first one is a strapless. The second version is a short sleeve puff, kind of like that back there, and that one is version C with the ruffle skirt of version D. Now the original version D has a strap instead of sleeves, and I just love this thing. It looks so good. It is very easy. It's the McCall's level 2 learn to sew pattern. The instructions for this pattern is superb. It guides you along really nicely. So if you are not a sewist and this is your first time sewing, or if you're relatively new, I think I said that wrong, if you're not new to sewing. If you are new to sewing, this is the ideal pattern for you, because it definitely takes you by the hand and guides you along the way. I found it really easy to work with. I've always had issues with sharing, but the option that they give is similar to my previous gathered style dress, which I did as a collab with Talisha, where you use a single fold binding and then you add your elastic through it. I think that's pretty easy, but I also want to try the original sharing in a future project with the elastic thread in the bobbin. So fantastic project. I think it turned out really well. I love the fabric choice. It's blue like I said, but it's, you know, it's got that Ditsy style going on there. It's very country and it's just my kind of thing. I love that dress. I love that style. It gives off all the Renata vibes when she is feeling polished and just like a homebody type of dress, where I can grab a basket, go down to the farmer's market, or I can just be home cooking, cleaning with this, going out into the garden, which I don't have, but we do have a park and I walk there. But this is the sort of dress that I would wear multiple times, and I can see it in so many amazing colors. Like, it's just a fantastic, versatile dress, and I highly recommend it because it didn't take that long to put together. It comes together nicely. It looks like a ready-to-wear piece, and you will have this in your wardrobe for a long time, and it goes the mile because you can make it in multiple style because of the options that this pattern provide. If you make this in three different colors, you have 3 amazing dresses, and they are beautiful. So I hope that really inspires you to try this pattern because I love it. It's also so very comfortable. It's very comfortable and very airy for those super hot summer days. It's just such a wonderful make. I just really love it, and I think it looks beautiful. Totally one piece that you can update with a jacket and make it a little bit edgy, or you can just wear some nice flats and head out to the beach. It's so beautiful. And I'm going to stop saying so beautiful, and I'm going to roll you guys into the 360 where you can take a good look at this, see how it fits on the human form, and just enjoy it because it's magnificent. I love the puff sleeves, the gathering there, and it's just all around beautiful. So I'll meet you in the next section where I'll close out and give my final thoughts.
Nearly gave you a heart attack. Thought I told you to watch your back. Never know what to expect down here. That's the only solid fact. Guess I'd rather be on vacation. Guess I haven't got the education. I don't really have an explanation. So I found a new game to play. Thought I told you to stay away, but I see you here anyway. So yeah, guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in these situations. Cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking a name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. Cause you got yourself into this. It's nothing to at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you are exactly where I want. Say I probably lost my mind. Well, you're welcome to try and find. But dear, don't you be surprised if I'm not here when you look behind. Guess I have my own destination, and you're staring at the wrong direction. I'm not looking for your confirmation. Cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking a name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. Cause you got yourself into this. It says enter at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you say you're not gonna take part in this.
Alright friends, so what do you think about my 360? Was this a good option for the SewMaxi for Mother's Day challenge? I think it is. I do like it. I love how it all came together, and the fit and the feel. Didn't have any issues with the fabric, which is from Mood, and I should have said this earlier, but it's a beautiful fabric from Mood. The feel is nice. It's not too stiff. It has enough flow for this design, and I totally like it and definitely will be making it again in the future. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope that it was a very informational and informative to you. I would love for you to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content. Give this video a thumbs up to, push it out to a lot of other people so that they can see it, and that will definitely help my channel, and I truly appreciate your time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, head down to the comment section and let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear all that you're thinking about regarding sewing for this year, my channel, what's going on, just anything. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you again so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye bye.
Push you away and we're done just like that. Something about you is pulling me back, and I'm holding